Alright, I'm going to go ahead and show you how the litmus paper works. Yesterday you had it on the notes as far as what it does to acids and bases. So we're going to go ahead and first test out red litmus paper and see what happens. So we're going to go ahead and place it into the ammonia, which is a base. Okay, so if we dip it in here. Remember, according to the notes, red litmus paper turns blue with the base. Okay, and the next one is going to be vinegar, which was an acid. And then if you recall in the notes, it says that it turns, acids turn litmus paper red. This one's already red, and so there's no change. And then there was a question in regards to water. What would it do to water? Okay, water is a neutral substance, so a lot of you were curious, what would it do? Well, remember that this is a type of indicator that just focuses on either bases or acids. And so if we put it in water, nothing really happens, okay? And now we're going to go ahead and test the blue litmus paper. And this one, remember, would turn blue, or red, I'm sorry, with an acid. Okay, so if we dip it a little bit more, okay, since it's already blue, it doesn't do anything with the base. Okay, because vinegar is an acid, it should turn red. So if we put it in the vinegar, we see that it's a color change of red, just like in our notes. And then we're going to test the water. And for the water, again, because it's neutral, nothing should really happen. And as you can see, there's no change. Okay, so I'm going to just show you really quick the pH paper, the universal paper, and just so you could see what it does to the color on that. So if I go ahead and test the ammonia, okay, it turns this color. And then test the water, should turn a different color. And then test the vinegar. There we go. And with this one, you're looking at the chart that's here. So based on this, we know it's a base because it's a darker color. So it's about a 10. If we look at this one, okay, 6 is kind of orange color. They don't give us really the 7, although the 7 is probably like a yellowish color. And this one, you know, is still kind of a little bit orange. So maybe this water is not exactly 100% set a pH 7. And then if we look at the acid, it's between a 2 and a 4, so maybe a 3, which is definitely an acid. Okay, so this is just so you could see what happens with pH paper, with blue litmus paper, and with red litmus paper when you're working with acids, bases, and neutral substances.